Welcome. My name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedomtech, the repair shop in Holland. We buy, sell, and repair electronics, pretty much all electronics. We offer free estimate, free diagnostic, and also layaways on the merchandise we carry on the store. We repair from TVs, laptops, desktops, including cell phones and the tablets. Everything we do, it's free estimate, free diagnostic. You can bring any merchandise to us. We will test it, diagnose, we'll give you an estimate same day, and you are free to choose either repair or replace that. Also, most of our merchandise that is for sale, we offer the layaways that it's 30 days, they're no interest, and you can pick it up in the same day you pay it or the day when the layaway is finished. We offer free estimate and the warranty up to 90 days. We carry most of our game systems from recent to the old series. Also, for any game system you purchase from us and the games that you get with the game system, you can come and exchange that for free at any time as long as they're in a good shape. We offer a layaway program. This is the amount per se that you would purchase. This is the down payment, and you got 30 days to pick it up, no interest. We are in social media under Freedomtech, Holland, Michigan. Also, most of our merchandise are placed on Marketplace, where you can see daily sales, and review us on Google under Freedomtech Holland for the testimony of the people that has repaired merchandise or bought merchandise from us. Freedomtech is located next to Secretary of State. We are open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Our telephone number is 616-546-1829. We buy and sell and repair electronics, including cell phones and tablets. Also, we do offer layaways, 30 days, no interest. And remember, it's always the quality over the quantity. Thank you.